You know what they say, looking good means feeling good, right? And who doesn't want to glow up like a star? We're here to spill the tea on how to do just that. Get ready to up your game both inside and out with our ultimate guide to the glow up journey. First of all, subscribe to our channel now. More helpful content is coming for you. Back to the video. So, here's the deal. We've got two key categories to break it down for you. Long-term wins and those snazzy short-term victories that'll have you shining in no time. Let's start with the long-term stuff. These are the gems that might take a little patience, but boy, they are worth it. Number 1, exercise. Yep, hitting the gym is like giving yourself a makeover from the inside out. We already made 2 videos on that topic. You should check out. No, we're not telling you to morph into a bodybuilder, unless that's your vibe. You could go for that slim and sleek look, a toned soccer player physique, or even unleash your inner Hulk with some serious weights. It's your call. Just move that body. Next up, diet. Think of exercise as planting the seed and diet as the water that helps it grow. Keep it simple. Munch on fruits and veggies for that skin-loving glow, enough protein to keep or build muscle, and a good dose of carbs to conquer your day. For skincare, wash your face, moisturize, and slap on some sunscreen before you strut out into the sun. Trust us, your future self will thank you for those spot-free years. But don't ever wash your face with soap. It's no good for the face skin. Use face wash instead. Buy these face wash from Amazon. I gave you the link below. Breaking bad habits is like giving your life a glow too. Kick that habit of staying up late. You don't want to look tired and worn out. Fast food? Nah, let's glow up, not down. It's okay to eat fast food sometimes, but don't make it your habit. And now let's dive into the quick fixes. Those short-term wins that'll have you feeling like $1,000,000 pronto. Grooming routine, anyone? Trim that beard, pluck those brows, clip those nails. Take care of the small stuff once a week. You got this. Don't forget the breath check. Fresh breath is a game changer. Brush, floss, scrape that tongue, and rinse. We're talking minty fresh vibes all day long. Lips, y'all. No one likes crusty lips, right? Give them some love with a gentle brush, moisturize, and seal the deal with some Aquaphor or Vaseline. Soft, smooth, and ready to rock. Elevate your style game. Whether it's a modern twist or some snazzy accessories, upping your style is a total glow-up move. Accessories give you an aesthetic look, so own it. Remember, the journey to looking and feeling amazing starts with you. So stay fabulous and keep that glow shining bright. Watch this video to get your perfect hairstyle. Thanks for tuning in.